And like we were telling you, 6 top actors in Mumbai have dialed top lawyers and they are seeking legal advice on the drug probe. These 6 top actors fear that they could also be summoned very soon by the NCB. Bollywood is clearly in panic as the drug probe is widening. These actors are in panic after Deepika, Sara and Shraddha were named. Let me cut across to my colleague Madhurima, who is standing outside Pone. Madhurima, a lot of top names who are attached to this talent management company, and most importantly, a big actor producer who has majority stakes in this company. But we also hear that these 6 top actors are male actors. We can't divulge the names at this point, but they are seeking legal advice because their fear is that they could also be summoned by the agency very soon. What more are you picking up?
Yes, like we have been reporting that the mask is falling off the face of Bollywood now. All these actors who were pretending to be very pious in the beginning and were really backing Rhea are now running towards the lawyers, because we in Public TV have unearthed the chats where Deepika Padukone, we saw that how she is asking for hash from her management, from her manager from the Quan company from where I'm standing and reporting in Andheri. So now this has sent chill down the spine of all the other actors who were till now shut and did not speak for Sushant as of till now, but now they are running for the legal aid. Well, that is their constitutional right. They can do whatever, they can seek whatever aid they want, but now the truth is out in the open, and it's they have way less time. Like I said, that they have way less time on their hand, and it is any time soon that the NCB will be summoning one by one all of them. Deepika's name has come up, Sara's name has come up, Shraddha's name has come up, and now all others are fearing that one by one, all these people who are consuming and procuring drugs, all their names will come out in the open. And the way they have been supporting Rhea Chakraborty, who was the #1 accused in Sushant Rajput case and has confessed in front of the NCB of, procuring drugs for several other people, and her brother was also involved. They were all having, showing that kind of pity for Rhea. Now they are running towards, all these big lawyers and asking for legal aid because they know that their time is near. They cannot hide from the central agencies. This is not some local police they can influence. It is the central agencies, and they have cracked a severe whip on the Bollywood and will unearth this deep-rooted nexus in the Bollywood in the coming time, and this will happen very soon. And no matter how much they try, how much legal aid they take, because they have some sincere evidence. They
may not have imagined, Madhurima, that this is how fast their names will emerge. Deepika, Shraddha, Sara, their names already in public domain now and doing the rounds as they could be summoned by the NCB very soon. But what happens to the others? Because Rima, this web that is clearly interwoven and deeper links that the NCB is now digging into. But most importantly, why this is getting bigger is because A-listers are now being named, and those who are really behind this entire nexus. Now that is what the NCB is trying to get into the depth of. Rima.
बिल्कुल, ये पूरे चेन को अगर हम समझने की कोशिश करें, जब शौविक से पूछताछ हुई, जब रिया से पूछताछ हुई और सबसे पहले ड्रग चैट के जरिए ये खुलासा हुआ था, जब एनसीबी की एंट्री इस जांच में यानी सुशांत मर्डर मिस्ट्री में होती है, तो वहां से सिलसिला ये शुरू होता है। लेकिन उसी वक्त ये पता चल जाता है कि रिया 25 ऐसे स्टार्स का नाम बता चुकी थी, लेकिन एनसीबी को मालूम था कि बॉलीवुड के जो सुपरस्टार्स हैं वो ड्रग से कनेक्टेड तो हैं, लेकिन उनका रसूख, उनका पावर, उनका रुतबा इतना ज़्यादा है कि उन तक पहुंचने के लिए पुख्ता सबूत होना चाहिए। और इसी सबूत की तलाश में पहले छोटे छोटे पैडलर्स को, जिसको हम बिग फिशेस नहीं कह रहे थे, उन पैडलर्स की गिरफ्तारी हुई। उसके बाद अनुज केसवानी, राहिल मिश्रा, ऐसे नाम आए सामने जिनका सीधा सीधा ताल्लुक था बॉलीवुड की सेलिब्रिटी से। उसके बाद ये राहें आसान होती चली गई और श्रुति मोदी, जया शाह, इन सब के जो चैट्स बहुत पहले सामने आ चुके थे, उसको लेकर जब इन्हें सवाल करके इनसे पूछताछ की गई तो जया शाह के जरिए जिस नाम का खुलासा हुआ वो करिश्मा, और करिश्मा के अलावा जो एक चैट खुलासा हुआ उसमें सीधे नाम आ गया दीपिका का, जिसको हम कल दिन में यानी सुबह में डी और के कह रहे थे, लेकिन शाम होते होते सुपरस्टार दीपिका पादुकोण का नाम सामने आ गया। लेकिन अब इंतजार है, और आपने सही सवाल उठाया कि इसके पीछे कौन है, ये पूरा नेटवर्क कौन चला रहा है, ये अंतरराष्ट्रीय कनेक्शन कहाँ से संलिप्त हो रहा है। जैसे हमने बहुत दिनों 2-3 दिन पहले हमने श्रीलंका की पार्टी का जिक्र किया था अपने व्यूअर्स के सामने। इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान से कैसे लिंक हो रहा है, ड्रग्स कहाँ से आ रहा है और बॉम्बे तक कैसे पहुंच रहा है, ये कौन पीछे से हैंडल कर रहा है, कौन पावर दे रहा है, कौन अपने पावर का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, और बॉलीवुड में इतना ड्रग सप्लाई हो रहा है और इजीली एक पूरा नेटवर्क तैयार हो चुका है और वो नेटवर्क सेलिब्रिटी तक ड्रग्स पहुंचा रहा है। और यहाँ तक कि जो ड्रग्स प्रतिबंधित है उसको लेकर खुलकर दीपिका जैसी सेलिब्रिटी जिनको मालूम होना चाहिए कि उनके एक चैट का मायने क्या हो सकता है।
NCB is looking for the big fish. We are still to know who the big fish is, but top names in Bollywood that are certainly panicking. They're seeking legal advice, and more names that are set to be tumbling out very soon in the next couple of days. Reema,